Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a pie character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to start with a big triangle shape. We'll start in the back, come across, and then do another one just like that here. Perfect. Now, on this side, let's do some wavy lines for crust. We'll do another one back here and close that shape. Let's move to this side and give our pie some filling. So we'll come down and make it kind of bumpy. Maybe add a drip. Like that. And then we'll go back and stop right there. Let's close that off, add a little bit more. And then we're gonna give the pie some crust underneath too. So we'll do a line across under and close that off. Perfect. And there's our pie shape. Next, we're gonna give our character some eyes. So we'll do a big eye right here, another big eye right here, and then we'll fill in the pupils, looking to the side. Perfect. We'll do a line underneath each eye, some eyebrows, and then a little mouth here, a little smiley, and maybe a couple freckles here on the side. Perfect. Let's put some more bumps and texture for our filling. And then give our pie some arms and legs. And then another one right here. And then our legs right there. There's one. There's two. Then we'll do a shadow underneath the legs. Shadows underneath the arms. A few more details around our pie. And there we have a pie character. You did a really good job on that one. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit yayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!